Okay, so last week we painted our paper blue with purple for water, and I actually decided to do something different than what I had showed you. So we're actually going to be doing up close water lilies, not his far away bridge water lilies, okay? So just pretend that my paper is painted blue because I don't have a pre-painted one for me, okay? So you are going to be, let's see if I can focus this, putting your paper sideways. Remember, it's like side to side, not tall, not vertical, okay? And there's going to be a little jar. Every table is a different color station. So you're going to be taking your paper and moving from table to table. So at red table, I'm going to have dark green. And everyone has to start there. And then we're going to go down to orange table, yellow table, green table, blue table. So at red table, there's going to be dark green paint. And that's going to be step one. Then you move to, when you're done, you pick up your paper and you move to orange table. At orange table is light green paint. You're going to do that. So that's step two. Then when you're done with that, you're going to move to yellow table and green table and blue table. At each of those is a different color, pink, yellow, purple, different color for your flowers. So the first two steps are lily pads, and the second is, and the last three are colors for your flowers. So we're going to start by doing our lily pads in dark green. All right, so you can do 3 or 4. They want to be, I want them to be at least as big as your fist, okay? No smaller than your fist. So I'm going to do the basic shape of a lily pad is a circle, but right before you close that circle, do a little letter U, okay? So in dark green, I'm going to paint. They don't all need to be the same size, all right? Maybe I'll do a smaller one here, and maybe I just do half of one here, and then a little bit here. Don't do more than 5. So I've got 3 whole ones and 2 half ones on here, all right? Then I'm gonna paint the back of each one, or the top of each of these in dark green. Don't paint, so the top of it's getting dark green, the bottom of it is going to get light green at the next table. So just do half of your lily pad in dark green. All right, then we're going to move to the next table. Once you're done with that, and we're going to do the other half of our lily pad in light green. And I am running out of paint, you guys. You guys are going to have a ton of paint. Don't worry if you go outside of the lines a little bit. Just remember, it's impressionism, so it doesn't matter if it's not perfect. Okay, so all of my lily pads are now painted. Okay, and then I'm going to go to yellow table. In yellow table, let's do, we'll have purple. So I'm going to do this flower purple. You start and you just set your, do a straight line down, then do a straight line across, straight line over, and then you're just going to add, start from the middle and work your way up so that the end of the brush lifts up on the outside. Let's see if I can focus this. All right, so that's my purple one. Don't worry if a little bit of green paint from the lily pad gets dragged into it. That's okay. That's actually part of the impressionist style, okay? Now I'm going to do, go to the next table and do a different color flower. I'll do red at the next table. So again, start from the center and work your way out. And it's just basically like a star shape going up. You're just doing lines. You're just dragging it and doing lines. Then maybe we'll have the next one, just pretend that this is yellow. I've got only orange in front of me. I don't have any more yellow, so I'm going to do an orange flower. But your next color is going to be yellow. All right? There you go. Maybe we see just a hint of one here too. So when you're done, your picture should look kind of like this. This is the one with the blue paper. Mine didn't have blue paper behind it, but it will look like this. And we're gonna let it dry, and then maybe we'll add a little bit of extra stuff next week, okay? So once it's done, bring it to the drying rack.